Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the local Send app on your Android TV without the Google Play Store app. If you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you own an Android TV, this is what you can do to install the local Send app. So what you have to do, just go over to your browser. Any browser is going to work as long as your TV is an Android TV. Now go over to my Google browser, and in the search box, I'm just going to type in the name application, which in this case is local send. So just go ahead and type in local send. As you can see, here's it on my screen over here. So type local send, and this is what you're going to get. This is the website for local send, but that's not what we're interested in. So just browse down a little bit. If you browse down, you're going to see an option here that says local send from the Google Play. Now this is not the Google Play app. This is the web version of Google Play. I can go ahead and install the application. Please do not mind this. As long as your TV is an Android TV, once the application is installed, it is going to adjust to your Android TV. So just go ahead and click install, and the application is going to start downloading. Once it's done downloading, you can install to your Android TV. This only works on Android TV. If your TV is smart TV or any other TV, this is not going to work. This only works on Android TV. Now, as you go over here, once the application is downloaded, it's going to start installing straight away to your Android TV. And this is how to download and install this application to your Android TV without the Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.